What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a video on TKO. It's a little bit different type of video. In the previous video I did like a size, I was doing a size up with vinyl on a potential customer. Well, I ended up getting the customer for that, so it's 125 shirts I have to do for, it's a local college, Johnson's College around here. It's a technical school. They're having some program where they have girls come. So I ended up getting the job, and this is, like I said, one way that you can make money with TKO is one of the things I tell people. The first thing I tell them when I talk to customers is basically they could save money if they do one color. If they keep it between 1 and 2 colors, it's going to lower their cost down. So I ended up getting the job. They had a budget, so I explained to them, you know, one color. Their school colors are navy blue and white and I believe gray. So they went with navy blue. This is how TKO sends them to you. I got 130 transfers. The more you go up with TKO, the lower the price goes down for you. So I got actually 2 of them here, and I got all my shirts from Jiffy Shirts because I searched prices through Alpha Broder, Jiffy Shirts, a couple other places, and Jiffy Shirts is actually very close to where I live, so they always pretty much come in with the best prices because in the fastest time, because they're only about an hour out from me. So I usually tend to go with Jiffy Shirts. But this is just a way to show you that TKO, you can make money with TKO because I have all their front hit transfers, one hit color, and this is a better way for people to make money because all I do is I take it, put it into my Adobe Illustrator. They need it vectorized for you. You go on their site, you put in your vectorized file on the size that you want, make it up in Adobe Illustrator, and that's how they send you on their single sheets. So I just want to make a quick video on TKO transfers. And like I said, I got my shirts. I didn't go through every single one to make sure I got all my shirts yet. I just got everything today. But I do want to take a shirt and transfer, press it onto a shirt before I actually get into this order because I'm not going to film obviously my whole entire order because it's 125 shirts. So I'm going to set the camera up on the heat press and take out some of these transfers of some of these shirts and just press some on the shirts and see how they come out. Alright guys, so I have my heat press set up. Let me show you real quick. They send you the directions and all the transfers that you get from them. The customer actually decided they wanted to go with Hanes, heavy cotton. So I got these, like I said, off Jiffy Shirts. I just want to try them out. They're doing adult, medium, large, and extra large. Because obviously when it comes to a big thing like that, you don't know who's who. So I'm going to pre-press this real quick. Like I said, these I ordered extra just so I have tester shirts. They all come, you know, crammed up in the box, so obviously you want to pre-press it. I'm gonna hit it again just to make sure. And with a job like this, it's very simple, you know. It's just a front hit. It's nothing crazy. I'm starting off with the mediums just to test it out. I checked my pressure because I was actually using this for TKO transfers. So my pressure should be good, but that's why I bought tester ones and a couple extra shirts just so I could test out first before I go just, you know, going into these 125 shirts. Here's our transfers. Comes as a one hit. Try it out. There's no cover sheets on these. I'm gonna go 4 fingers down with it. from the collar here. And all the TKO transfers I got so far, they all seem like, you know, they're lining up perfect. The way they put them on their sheets, they're centering them on their sheets, which is awesome, because some companies I get from, it's not centered when you get just the one transfer. These are, you could put it, let's see here, 300 to 325 for 7 to 10 seconds, heavy pressure. I'm gonna try this first one out here, see how I like it. And then basically I'll get into like a, you know, repetitive when I start going through all of them. These are just, I want to test them out, see what they look like. Make sure the design's all good. Put my pressure up a little bit. Okay, we're right where we need to be at. These are hot peel. I always let it go like a second or two more. There we go. Nothing left on the transfer. Yeah, they came out nice. There it is. Yeah, these are real nice. I like these transfers. These are their active sport. Yeah, these came out real nice. I'll hold it up for you guys. Let me throw one more on here. Oh, got another medium here. Once you start going, like I do with a lot of shirts, when I have a lot of shirts that I'm doing, you start just getting into a groove of it. Always lint roll, especially when you're doing stuff like this. Because just to get all, whatever, like I said, it came in the mail. You want to get the lint out of it and then pre-press it to get the moisture out of it. I just hold it down. I don't clamp it fully, just for a couple seconds. We got another transfer here. There you go. Three to four fingers down, depending on the person, the shirt, the transfer. Easy way to make money with these. Very easy way to make money with these. And this the Heat Press Nation, I really rarely ever have to check the temperature anymore, but I still do just in case. Same thing. Nothing left on the transfer. Just a quick way to make some money. I just wanted to throw a quick video in because I know I said I had to cut the video short, so still working on them. Here's what I got done so far, about 25 of them. Only took me probably about maybe about 45 minutes. And that's just me being OCD. So that's all I wanted to show you guys, that I got 25 done in about 45 minutes. So I'm actually gonna stop here and then I'll work on more tomorrow. So I'll get right back into the video now. All right guys, so here, I'll hold the shirt up quick. Like I said, I got 125 of these I gotta do, so I can't just do a full video on it. So there's the shirt. Show you the transfers again. These are TKO transfers right there. And I don't remember exactly how much I got them for, but they were very cheap, very cheap. They were not even over $1 a transfer. So that's TKO transfers. I'll leave the links to all the stuff I have in the description. But if you want to make some money, easy money with customers, go get yourself these transfers. They're quick, they're easy. They get here in a couple days. I believe they're out of Florida. Like I said in my last videos, I'm doing a giveaway. Did not forget about the giveaway. I already have what I'm giving out. I just want to, get a couple more subscribers up. So just, subscribe to the channel, because I want to be able to give a lot more people a chance, to win what I'm giving away. So if you guys would like, comment, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.